What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're just going to be announcing the giveaway winner of the Eagle Claw. Just keep in mind, there's always going to be a lot more giveaways for you guys, and I do have another one coming up, so stay tuned for that. Let's go ahead and find out and just see who won the giveaway. Alright, you guys, for today's video we're going to go ahead and pick the winner for the Eagle Claw. But before we do so, I just wanted to state this. Don't be discouraged if you don't win in today's giveaway. There's always going to be a lot more giveaways in the future. And that being said, I'm running one giveaway right now. It is my previous video on the PARACORD grab handles. I am giving a set away. So if you haven't entered, go ahead and go watch that video and enter into it. It is an easy way to win. Go check it out. For today's giveaway, I did notice a lot of people wanted the black set. So if the two winners for today's giveaway, if they both wanted black, just to make things fair, I'm going to go ahead and give the black ones to the first winner. They're going to get first dibs on the color they chose. For the second winner, if you also say, for example, chose black, sorry, but I'm going to go ahead and send you the brown ones. It's still a good giveaway to win. I mean, you can always spray paint them black and then it turns into, of course, a black one. And whoever wins, just please make sure to email me right away. That way I can go ahead and send them out to you right away. Let's go ahead and choose. So for today's giveaway, I am using a different method. We're going to go ahead and copy the link for the Eagle Claw. So copy link, it's copied, and we're gonna go here. So it's called commentpicker.com. So it just chooses, of course, comments from that video. And if you entered correctly, of course, you're gonna win it. It does also filter the duplicate users. So let's go ahead and see who wins. So it's showing that 126 comments did comment correctly. So let's go ahead and choose the winner. Good luck, you guys. All right, so let's see, just see. You ready? Alright, so Efron Kano. Alright, so you entered for some black ones. And of course, if you guys don't believe me, you could always go back to that Eagle Claw video and make sure he did comment correctly. I'm going to, of course, check that as well. But it just states here and it shows me that they did comment. So we're good on that. So congrats to you, man. Make sure to email me. It will be in the description box below. I will also pin a comment down below. Let's go ahead and pick another winner. Alright. So good luck, you guys. Cross your fingers. Let's see who the second winner is. Cross those fingers. Alright, man. John Hughes. Enter me black. So, of course, like I was stating in the beginning, I'm going to have to send you the brown ones. So, sorry about that. But, hey, congrats on the win. If you still want them, go ahead and email me. It will be in the description box below. And I will also pin a comment down below. So, congrats to both of you guys. That's awesome that you guys won. Please make sure to email me. Before going any further with this, I just want to ask you guys a question. So when I go to my community tab, alright, here it is. So can you guys all read all this stuff? If you guys can, please make sure to let me know in the description box below. And the reason why is because I do want to start maybe featuring your guys' truck on this specific community tab. Maybe every Tuesday, you know, for like Taco Tuesday. So yeah, so I mean, if you guys want to get your truck featured on here, let me know if you guys can even see these posts that I make on YouTube. And if you can, let me know, and let me know if it's a good idea, and then maybe we can get that started maybe every Tuesday. I just want to do that just to kind of get you guys involved more in the channel. And I thought it was maybe something cool, something different, you know? So congrats to both of you. Of course, there's always going to be a lot more giveaways. Like I said, I'm running one right now. Go watch my PARACORD handles giveaway video if you guys want to win a set. But yeah, congrats to you, both of you guys. I will go ahead and send it as soon as I can. Go ahead and email me. It is in the description box below. I will also pin a comment down below with my email. So go ahead and email me. Like I said, the first winner, of course, gets first dibs. Second winner, you're getting the second dib, which is the brown colored ones. So congrats to you guys. See you guys next time. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.